Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this chef lime non-stick cookware with induction base. So it's a multitask pans, you could say, and these are non-stick. First of all, second quality is you can put them in your normal gas stoves, or these are durable for induction also. That's very good. They have 7-piece cookware set, 24 centimeter open frying pan, 24 centimeter with glass lid, and tawa which is 28 centimeter, and 3-piece of spatula. So whatever the pic you can see over here, these are inside it. So what else? These are heavy gauge cookware set, professional quality non-stick, and mark my words guys, I have earlier used their pan and it's very nice. It's non-stick. You do not have to apply a single spoon of oil also while cooking anything which is sticky like dosa, pancakes and all. So here you go. So this is a beautiful pic of all the stuff which is inside it, and from here you can just open it like this and it's done. So here come our stuff. So these are the spatula, and now the pans. So this is the first covering glass lid. It's beautiful, very clear for steam to go out. There is a small hole in it. That's very interesting. And you could even see this is, that lid is for this wok, and you can see inside what it is cooking and how it looks like and all that stuff. Second thing, they are giving a frying pan like this. So like non-veg, small pieces of non-veg fish you can fry in this, because it has some kind of holding thing, so it's good. And you can see this is induction, for induction purpose also. Last but not least, there's a tawa. So this is a beautiful tawa. I already have this but in smaller size, so I purchased the bigger one this time. And you can make dosa, you can make uttapam, you can make paratha with no oil or less oil, you could say. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, bye bye.